how to undownload songs on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can undownload the songs on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically undownload the songs on Spotify, well, by this what you mean is that maybe you happen to download some songs that you would like to delete from your downloaded section. You can open up Spotify on your browser here, and then over here you should be able to see the downloads tab. Now in order to download songs, you need to have premium, and when you go to the downloads tab, if you want to delete a certain downloaded thing, all you have to do is just long press on that particular song over here. When you long press on the particular song, you'll be able to find the options to delete them. So instead of undownloading it, you just have to delete that particular songs from there. This way you should be able to go ahead and then undownload songs on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.